Good day everyone and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on Windows Auto Update. So for that you go to Windows Update, either from here or from here, as so. And in here make sure to press on Resume Updates. So basically if you don't stop them by yourself manually, like I do it, for example, I don't want this service of Windows Update to be running all the time. Maybe I'm doing some productivity work or gaming. I don't want this to be running all the time and consume my resources. But if you do want to have this on and always get the latest updates to your system, you can just not pause it, right? Also, you can press get the latest updates if you wish to be up to date with the most recent updates and improvements. And after doing this, you should be done and ready to go. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.